Hi guys, this is Camille.
And Lila.
Today we'll be talking about the difference between cooking and baking.
Are you more of a cooker or a baker? And what does that say about your personality?
Okay, let's get started with cooking.
When you're in the kitchen, cooking is a fun way to go.
There are many different ways to make the same dish, and we want to tell you about it.
Okay, when cooking, you can use freestyle, improvisation, a pinch of this, a splash of that. Great for quick meals and experimenting with flavors. Hey Camille, I have a quick question for you.
Fire away.
Why is it called bacon when you cook it and cookies when you bake them?
Let's just move on with baking. Now, baking is very different than cooking. Even though they both require ingredients and food, they still have a lot of different aspects to them. For instance, like baking is a science, and cooking you can kind of measure as you go. But with baking, it's very state of the recipe. But I feel like baking also requires a lot of patience because it's very chemistry at work. It's a lot of science, you know what I mean?
Now let's go head to head, cooking versus baking. Okay, Camille, which one do you think's better, baking or cooking?
I don't know about you, but I personally am a baker.
Really? Cooking is so much fun. You get to experiment with everything you have.
Yeah, but I feel like baking will always have a special place in my heart because I am very precise and on point, and I really like to stick to a recipe. That's just how I roll.
Well, let's see what our listeners think.
Perfect. Let's go interview some people.
Okay, who are we here with?
Quinn,
Okay, Quinn, are you more of a baker or a cooker?
a baker.
Why do you enjoy baking?
I don't know. I just feel like it's more fun because you can make like a whole bunch of things like without recipes, but like a cooker, I feel like you have to follow more recipes for it to turn out better. I don't know, really.
Okay, now which of these looks better?
The pasta only because I'm a more pasta fan, but they both do look really good.
Okay, thank you, Quinn.
Hi, who am I here with?
Maddie.
And are you more of a cooker or a baker?
Baker.
And why is that?
Because I like sugary things more than savory things, and I think it's more fun.
Okay, now which one of these pictures looks better?
Probably the pasta, honestly.
Okay, thank you, Maddie.
Okay, who am I here with?
Tyson.
Are you more of a cooker or a baker?
I like baking a lot more.
All right, why do you like baking?
Well, to me, I find it easier, and I just like desserts more than actual cooking.
Okay. Now, which of the two pictures do you think looks better?
Yeah, probably the French fries, actually. I don't like pie all that much.
That's pasta.
Hello, who am I here with?
Miss Hunt.
And are you more of a cooker or a baker?
I'm a baker.
And why is that?
I like to make cute little recipes that have to do with sweets because I have a sweet tooth, but also I like those the most during like the holidays. So I like to make pretty cookies or cakes or things like that during Halloween and Christmas and all of those holidays.
I love that. And which one of these do you like better, the pie or the pasta?
Ooh, that is a tough choice because I like both of those things. But if I had to choose, I'm going to go with the pie because I got that sweet tooth. So
Thank you.
Okay, who am I here with?
Cooper,
Are you more of a cooker or a baker?
baker,
Why is that?
because I like baking coconut cream pies.
Okay. Which of the two pictures looks better?
What's that?
That's pasta.
Oh, I thought those looked like Takis. I'll say the blackberry cobbler.
Okay.
Hello, who am I here with?
Camille.
And do you like cooking or baking more?
Baking.
Why is that?
I just love baking. It's very like relaxed, and I feel like you can really have creative freedom through like decorating, and you can really make things pop and make them look cute.
Which one of these looks better, the pie or the pasta?
Ooh, probably the pie.
Why is that?
Because I just think the pie looks really good. It just looks really like it's going to overfill, and it just like looks so good.
Thank you.
Hello, who am I here with?
Lila.
Okay, now Lila, are you more of a cooker or a baker?
Definitely a cooker because I feel like instead of just following a recipe straight on, I can just add and make a good ratio of stuff. And it's just more fun for me because I am not patient enough for baking.
Okay. So which one of the two pictures looks better?
Well, I do really love pasta, but I'd have to say the pie because I love pie.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.